Malaysian Aviation Group has introduced its first Airbus A330neo with its maiden flight to Melbourne taking off tonight. This marks the start of MAG's plan to receive 20 A330neos by 2028, part of its push for a more modern, passenger-focused fleet. MAG signed a Memorandum of Understanding with Airbus and aircraft lessor Avalon in 2022 for the order of 20 A330neos. Transport Minister Anthony Loke highlighted the A330neo's role in boosting Malaysia Airlines and KLIA as a global hub, while also showcasing Malaysia's strength as a key Airbus supplier in Southeast Asia. The aircraft, seating 297 passengers, is powered by Rolls-Royce engines. MAG also announced a partnership with Mercedes-Benz for a premium transfer service at KLIA starting January 2025.